related to measurement method of national income. So there are so many methods which we have been used since the earlier period about the national income measurement. But some of the important methods should be mentioned here. The first method is production method. According to the production method, the sum total of products produced in all sectors in the total output of the nation. The next step is to find out the value of these products in terms of money. So first of all, in the production method, we have to take into account the total output of the nation and then find out the value of these products in terms of money. The money sent by Indian citizens working abroad is also added to this. Now we get the gross national income. So gross national income is equals to money value of total goods and services plus income from abroad. Here, for the better understanding of the production method, one example have been taken into account with the following chart. In this chart, 5 commodities have been taken, and the relation between the cost price and selling price is also given here, and according to that, profit can be calculated. So the first firm is medicine. Its cost price is 1000 rupees, and while the selling price is 1500 rupees. So therefore the difference between these two, that is cost price and selling price, is the profit of the firm. So here the difference is 500 rupees, which means that the medicine firm has earning the 500 rupees as a profit. So like that, the second firm is furniture. Its cost price is 1200 rupees while selling price is 1500 rupees. Therefore, the profit would be 300 rupees. The third firm is clothes. Its cost price is 900 rupees while the selling price is 1300. Therefore, the profit is 400 rupees. So like that, the other commodities have been also be included. As we take into account the total output, the total cost price and total selling price of all these commodities, we will get the total profit of the economy. Here, the total cost price is equals to 6900 rupees, while the total selling price is equals to 9500 rupees. So therefore the total profit of an economy is 2600 rupees. So with the following data, the GNI, that is gross national income, can be calculated with the formula, that is total selling price minus total cost price plus income from abroad is equals to 9500 minus 6900 is equals to 2600. So the GNP of the nation is 2600. The next method is income method. Under this method, national income is measured as a flow of factor incomes. There are generally 4 factors of production: labor, capital, land, and entrepreneurship. Labor gets wages and salaries, capital gets interest, land gets rent, and entrepreneurship gets profit as their remuneration. Besides, there are some self-employed persons who employ their own labor and capital, such as doctors, advocates, CAs, etc. Their income is called mixed income. The sum total of all these factor incomes is called NDP at factor cost. So, GNI is equals to rent plus wages plus interest plus profit plus income from abroad. To find out the NI, another example have been taken into account. So the first, under this chart, the first point is total wages and salaries received, that is 25,05,650 rupees, and the total interest and dividend received is 10,000. Total rent and Inputted rent is 80,880. Gross trending profit from company is 65,500. Total income of self-employed is 33,700. Income paid account is 54,345. Income received from abroad is 76,680 rupees. The capital consumption is 445 rupees. The next method is expenditure method. Household or consumer expenditure on consumption goods. Firms or producers expenditure of capital goods, also known as gross investment. Government expenditure on goods and services excluding transfer payment. Expenditure on export and imports. So these expenditures have been included in the expenditure method. So the GNI can be calculated with including the individual expenditure plus government expenditure. So this session have been referred from the book called Indian Economy, written by Mishra and Puri, and some internet sources. Thank you.